I'll be demoing CodeSensei. This is an app I built that is an AI-powered inline code review. Here's the landing page. It provides inline threads, AI patches, and smart language detection. To learn more, you just can go to the About page and see what it is, why it was made, and its key capabilities. To get started, users can create an account, add their email, create a username, and create a password. As you can see, there's a minimum requirement that all must be satisfied. I already created an account for this, so I will just go to logging in. You just enter their username and then get taken to their dashboard. As you can see, here's a settings page where they can update their passwords, choose their preferences. Most developers prefer dark mode, so this can be implemented in a later version, but this can be easily implemented. This is a danger zone, obviously deleting account, and they could update their username and display name. So I'll go to show you the main feature. They will create a session. I created a bunch of test files. I will go with the simple JavaScript. Now I created these files to purposely be bad or need changes, so I could show this in the demo. As you can see, the language gets automatically, the session name and language both get automatically updated. So it has smart language detection. So once it gets created, they see this appears in their dashboard. They could delete it, of course. So once they open it, they have the session panel, and each time they could highlight a certain block of code that they want reviewed. They could also select the whole thing if they would like, but I will focus on this function. They click the AI, a new thread gets created, and they can ask the AI to make it better. So the AI provides a simple explanation, as you can see here. In order to view the suggested patch, they could go to the view diff modal, where they see the things that would have to be changed. So then once they apply the patch, it gets applied, and as you can see, this patch gets applied, and there's smart anchoring. So before it was 2 to 16, now it's 2 to 13, and the better code appears in their workspace, and it gets auto saved. The AI can also explain. So as you can see, it gives an explanation. So it doesn't just offer patches, it could also explain it to the user if they want. The user this is where the threads get stored. Each time they ask the AI, a new thread gets made. Thank you for this demo. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to improve on this because this was a fun project to build as a software developer. I've used IDEs that are similar to this, so this is something that I feel like I created on my own, and from experience was able to understand what needed to be done and what future implementations I could possibly come up with.